Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing the hardware and network so the setup doesn't stall. Make sure the Kasa smart plug is factory reset and its LED blinks blue. That tells you it's in pairing mode. Then, ensure your phone is on the 4 GHz Wi-Fi band because many plugs won't pair on 5 GHz. Open the Kasa app, sign in, and tap Add Device. Follow on-screen prompts to connect the plug to your home Wi-Fi. This first step gets the plug online. Once the Kasa plug is on your Wi-Fi, you link accounts so Alexa can control it. Open the Alexa app and go to Skills and Games, search for the Kasa or TP-Link skill and enable it. You'll be prompted to sign into your Kasa account. Do that and authorize Alexa to access devices. After authorization, tell Alexa to discover devices or press Discover in the app. Alexa will import the plug. Rename it to something short and distinct so voice recognition works reliably. Now finish by verifying control and handling common problems. Ask, Alexa, turn on followed by your plug name. A quick verbal test confirms the integration. If Alexa can't find the plug, restart your Echo or Alexa app and make sure the plug and Alexa are on the same 4 GHz network, then run Discovery again. If issues persist, disable and re-enable the Kasa skill or factory reset the plug and re-add it. Firmware.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.